Hello everybody, today in this video I will show you how to easily add shortcuts in Snapchat mobile, so let's jump right into it. Make sure you have your app updated and then go ahead and open it. From here let's just take a snap. Once you do that, tap here in the bottom right corner. And then from here amongst those icons in the top, tap the plus button. Now choose the people you want to add in your shortcut. And once you're done from that, tap here in the top of the screen and choose an emoji from your keyboard. Once you're done from that, tap on Create Shortcut in the bottom, and your shortcut has been successfully created. You can find it right here. Now if you want to delete it, tap again on the plus button, tap on your shortcut, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then tap on Delete Shortcut. After that, confirm your action by tapping Delete again. And just like that, you have deleted the shortcut. And this is it for the video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.